Hello everybody, hope you all are well. Today we are sharing simple yet delicious recipe that is prawn soup. So let's see how to make it. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons oil in it. Once oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic in it. Then add half a teaspoon chopped ginger and mix it all well. On top of that, add 2 chopped spring onion and stir it well. Then add around 2 tablespoons chopped cabbage. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Here we are adding chopped asparagus. Then add chopped carrot. You can add mushroom, beans or even pepper. Now add salt to taste. Pinch of black pepper powder. Stir it once. Then add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Round half to 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Stir it all well and cook it for a while. Then add prawns on top. We are using cooked prawns, but if you are using raw, you have to cook them with the vegetable. After cooking it for a minute, add 2 cups of water in it. Then add 1 tablespoon vinegar in it. Stir it well and cook it till it boils. Take 1 teaspoon corn flour and put water in it. And mix it well. Crack 1 egg in a small bowl and mix it. Soup is boiling well, so let's put the egg in it. Don't put it all together. Use spoon and put it into parts. Stir it well. Now add corn flour mix little by little. And keep on stirring. At the end, add chopped coriander and turn off the gas. And your soup is ready. You do try this recipe and share this recipe with other people. And please Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.